Now, Jamaica could be reaping the benefits from sports tourism soon, thanks to Sandals and their travel agents' golf tournaments, which is being used to sell the country as a destination to play over 18 holes.
In an education of golfing, 4 group of agents converged on the Sandals Upton Golf Estate golf course for a lesson of hitting, driving, and putting. All this was done with one thing in mind, using golf to sell tourism across the USA and Latin America. Overall, there were 64 participants who benefited from the knowledge of 2 of Jamaica's top players in Wesley Brown and Zondre Rowe. Now, according to former national player and general manager at the Sandal Upton Golf Course, Jonathan Newnham, there's no better time than now to tap into the market of sports tourism.
We have 4 separate, unique groups out there playing. 2 of them are more of a stricter tournament. The other 2 are more of a fun couples retreat. But again, our big simple philosophy is they come, they see, and they sell, which is why we have the travel agent tournaments for them to come. They get to see the beautiful golf course, the beautiful amenities, all of what Sandals has to offer, but also on a wider Jamaica as a whole. And because they're so excited, they come back. And the main purpose of the trip is golf, which is an exciting addition for us, and we hope to continue to tap into that market.
Lauren Raturu is the leader of the Georgia group, which consists of 24 participants, and she's excited about selling the sport along with their vacation.
Golf is just another inclusion that they have, with the green peas being included. So we get to start with all the people we love to hang out with anyways, then come back and golf while we're at it. If you want to, you can play. If you don't, go to the beach. But it's a great inclusion and a way to get everybody involved.
The tournament was scheduled for last year but had to be rescheduled due to the impact of Hurricane Melissa. Mariana De Pina of the Latin America group says the continued support to twin sports and tourism speaks volumes.
This is not just a tournament, it's a dream come true, because we started last year with a tournament back in Argentina, and it's the first Latin America women's golf tournament in Jamaica. It's a dream come true. Everybody's excited about it now.
Megan Sams is the leader of the group from Florida.
I think it's great. I don't think it's essential, but I think it's such a fabulous option for people to come here and be able to enjoy the game of golf, whether they're just starting out and playing or have played their whole lives like I have. It's just such a great blend of having some fun, having some time on the golf course, and blending the 2 together.
Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.